Hi scientists, welcome back. I'm so excited for this lesson because the reason I started Beakerz Science was to raise up some new scientists for this new generation, and I want to raise up thinkers and contributors and innovators. Can you say innovator?
Innovate.
Great job. So innovation just means change. Sounds simple because I can change a song on the radio. I can change my clothes, but that's not what innovation means. So an innovation is a big change, and we want to make a change for the better. So I want us to always be thinking about how we can make changes for the better for everyone. So if we put our thinking caps on and we're looking around at our environment and our friends and family and thinking of ways that we can make a good change, I think we can make a difference. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. I want to tell you about some fun ideas that scientists came up with to maybe inspire you. So we talked about plants. Did you know that there are places in the world where crops can't grow? The soil just isn't very good and people don't have food. And so there are scientists who found a way to grow food without soil. Pretty amazing, right? Like you can see here. Put on a thinking cap, came up with this amazing idea. Other scientists found ways to protect seeds from bugs. Pretty great. Another scientific idea. How about scientists who figured out how to filter water with a straw for people in parts of the world who have dirty water and they have to walk 10 miles a day sometimes just to get a drink of clean water. Now they have a straw that cleans all the bad things right out of it. Pretty amazing, right? That's making a change for the better. So I want us to be thinking that way. How about using the energy from the sun to create power? What? Solar energy. Pretty amazing. How about wind power? Harnessing the wind to create energy. Well, you guys are going to get to participate in that. You are going to build a windmill with a solar panel. Pretty cool, right? So, in your kit, you have everything you need to build your windmill. You're going to design it yourself, so you get to paint it however you want, design it and have your adult help you put it together, and you're going to need to set it out and let it absorb the sun and get it going. You're going to be surprised by how fast this spins. And what I want it to do for you, what I hope it does, is it encourages you to come up with some great ideas. And I want you to talk about your ideas and write them down, and who knows what kinds of amazing changes we can make. So we're also going to put the video up of us putting this together, and you can see it at work, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun. So I'm really hoping that you will send me your videos and tell me all the questions and ideas you came up with. You can always reach me at our Facebook page at Beakerz Science, and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care, guys.